The interest in robotics for me is since when I was born, and then I just start seeing cartoons. Actually, the leitmotiv from PAL Robotics in order to become this reality nowadays is the passion. So I always said that robotics is not 8 hours job. It's something that you have to have passion in order to push and doing something that most of the time was not able. It's not a case that in Europe we have built in the last decades the best robotics companies. My opinion is that we create a very good ecosystem where we can have right collaboration from research side and the industry side, and also develop new stuff, new devices that could help a lot of these great things that is robotics, that is the biggest integration project that you could imagine in order to do this in agile and versatile way. The dream that we have of robotics in Europe is to make it more available, more versatile, more modular, and also democratize it in order to make the things better and improve our quality of life. I'm very honored and proud to be president of 𝗟𝗶𝗁𝗁𝗵𝗂𝗍𝗶. I had the opportunity to really feel, understand, and also speak with all the other members about how we can maintain this association. My legacy is always to try to make the 𝗟𝗏robotics, that is the biggest lobby of robotics in Europe, more transparent, more collaborative, open to all the members,